dumelang 100 ranta ke lahlela 200,000 celebrate a birthday yaka on Sunday, so I'm blessing myself. Na ke tlo emela batho ba re happy birthday ba sample chalete mola ra tsena. This is a standard bonus account. It has a drawdown. Wa bona mo ampore ke blow wa mangenya go le botjamaga be ke shitse ka mo 40 ranta against me. So if you naile anyana against the account could have blown. So this is KGP markets bafowethu, new leverage 1:1,000. It's launching next week. By the time we want a video next week, tabelo ono bana no ke tabo kai no ke tawo ma 700 from 100 rand talent try diga jigin lo chaka target ko 1,000 langusha amokudo beta 1,000 fela. Then ke sharp lot size ke bo ma 0.10 somewhere there ke a tswalela bo 1.2 ke bona fitlile up to 1.2 ke tswaletse, and then ke a withdraw ke deposit agape. Reason being gore I'm able to get 200% bonus when I do that. Langusha. So we withdraw with the why? Because KGP you allow withdrawal of 5 minutes. So create 5 minutes. Like one I get a KGP. You execute the first trade. Remember the bonus is a drawdown. So even if the loss is above my balance, as long as there's still equity, my trade will continue running. Like one I'm gonna blum 6,000. Like one MT5 ya like second order sheets in Leona, I will more papa or get target over 10 tower. More target over 10 tower. From 10 tower, I'll get you a roof out. Le one a little mola kono maka over 15 hour. Get one right to go to fetch. Get the young care trial. I'm going to trial. Get withdraw, get deposit up. One wishes to get 200% bonus. Get strategy into in your shot. Well, this is the final trade. You will know ke lahlela ga 200,000. Revelation market, mola revelation market to execute a buy. Lot size 2 buy. Lot size 2 buy. Each order is gonna give me around 10 to 12,000 buy. So nice thing about the loss is even if it goes above my balance, it will not blow because it's a drawdown bonus. Like we shall mola almost 3 pips into the trade. She could blow me down my 40 something tau. It more orders. Alright, Tom here. Ito ga pike tsebe ke bele tshele ba dimbaka ba market e bana ke stronga ku ke execute ashila 7 o'clock. This was yesterday. No you are reach your target are na molala re bona ba khala re fitela 200 tawa go lo sordiam re tswalela. Why should we continue staying on the trade? So this is just to say happy birthday to DJ Coach. Thank you for the great 10 years of trading. 100 rand 200 tawa.